Feis.
Bhí feis ar siúl a hala an tépéal. Bhí na cailíní a caithfh cultacha ildáte. Bhí trúr páiste ag damhsa ar an stáitse. Bhí orla sa chéadáit, bhí malaí sa dara háit, bhí cahal sa tríú háit. Bhí lá iontach ag gachtaine.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cad a bhí ar siúl a hala an tépéal. Ceiste dó, an raibh na cailíní ag caithfh cultacha snámha. Ceiste trí, cé a bhí sa chéadáit. Ceiste ceathair, cé a bhí sa dara háit. Ceiste cúig, cé a bhí sa tríú háit.
So a feis is the Irish word for festival, and many years ago in Ireland, local towns would hold a feis where the community would gather together, and many entered contests to show their baking, music, dance or art skills. So here we're looking at a dance competition. So bhí feis school siúl I hala an tépéal. There was a feis going on in the hall of the church. Bhí na cailíní, the girls were ag caithfh cultacha ildáte. They were wearing, ag caithfh means wearing, costumes, cultacha, costumes, ildáte, multicoloured. Dáte is coloured, ildáte, multicoloured. Bhí trúr páistí ag damhsa ar an stáitse. So there are 3 children dancing on the stage. And here they are winning prizes. Bhí orla sa chéadáit, orla was in first place, Molly sa dara háit, second place, and bhí cahal sa tríú háit in third place. Bhí lá iontach ag gach duine. There was a wonderful day had at everybody. Everybody had a great day.